Alright. So if your Binance account is locked, yeah, that can feel serious. But in most cases, it's just a security protection and you can usually unlock it pretty quickly. First, check the message on screen or your email. Binance usually tells you exactly why the account was locked. If you entered the wrong password too many times, your account may be temporarily locked. In this case, just wait a bit or reset your password. Now click Forgot Password and reset it using your email or phone number. Some accounts get locked until you complete identity verification again, especially after suspicious activity. If Binance detects unusual activity, they may freeze your account for safety. You'll need to confirm it's really you. If you're using a VPN or logging in from a new location, that can trigger a lock. Try turning it off and logging in again. Some locks are temporary and will lift automatically after a cooling period. If your account is still locked, contact Binance support and verify your identity. They can help restore access. And yeah, that's how you fix most Binance account locked issues. Just follow the reasons step by step and you'll usually get access back quickly.